So this is an insight into one of the techniques that we cover on the Electro Acupuncture course, which you actually can do online. And you see that I've got one connection here, one channel, and the second channel is here. So I'm connecting into the suboccipital area, into the upper traps on both sides. Now you can see quite comfortably the patient is here, they're in prone, the needles are twitching away, so inducing that twitch response. This is on low, so all the patient is feeling is the pulsing. And in terms of the frequency, we're about mid-range. So if I want to speed it up, so in a second you'll see this twitching increase in speed, like that. And again, this is all done with patient comfort. If that is too intense, because remember, this is all about patient comfort, you will just turn it down. You can see the needle twitching slows right down. And that's because I've altered the frequency, so I've altered the peak and the trough of the wave. And as I said, this is all the ins and outs that you can learn online in our Electro Acupuncture course. It's very interesting, it's a great way to improve recovery, post-exercise, post-workout, or ultimately what most of you are dealing with is pain management. So if the patient gets used to that, we can always adjust the intensity like this, or you can adjust the frequency and the speed. But ultimately, it's got to remain comfortable.